This is Samsung Galaxy X Active 7, and in today's video I will show how you can transfer files from your internal storage to an SD card. So to start, you will need to launch the File Manager or File Explorer app. Here it is, My Files. Now open the internal storage, find the files you would like to, transfer. Let's see. I've took a couple of screenshots. Yep, here they are. So now select what files you would like to transfer. If you would like for them to be erased from their original location, that is internal storage, use the Move option, or you can also use the Copy option, so those files will not be migrated, rather just copied to the memory card. So I'll go with Move option. Now select the SD card path for those files to be moved to. So let's say I'll go with download and move them here, then tap Move Here button, and that'll be it. They have been successfully moved to an SD card. And now if I'll open up the internal storage screenshots, there will be none. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.